Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like.
Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and today we're going to make another essential oil recipes that you can use in your home. It's a DIY project, so I'm going to share with you guys what are the kinds of oil that I'm using to make a spray for your bathroom, for your toilet, and you can also use that spray to clean the walls of your toilet, to clean the seat of your toilet, and everything that you want it to use for cleaning purposes. It's also like kind of sanitized essential oils that you can use to make your walls or make your toilet clean and sanitize. Okay, so in this video, it's this is my second video that I created in making essential oils. So if you wanna watch the first video that I made before this, just click this video up here or somewhere there so you can just watch those tutorials so you can make your own DIY at home. So now, without any further ado, let's do this. Here is the lemongrass. Okay, so first we're going to add 15 drops of lemongrass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then after your lemongrass, then let's add the tea tree, which is 10 drops of this. Okay, so after the tea tree, I have this lavender. So we're going to add 8 drops of lavender. Also have peppermint here, so we're going to add peppermint, 5 drops of this peppermint. Okay, then if you want to add a little bit of scent, then 3 to 5 drops of YLANG. And another option is the eucalyptus. You can add eucalyptus if you want to, or if you don't want to, it's okay. But if you want to add this oil, make 3 drops of this. Alright, so now we're going to add all of this into this water and vinegar. Okay, I'm gonna put this one here and let's add all of this. Oh, so smells so good. So okay, so after you add all of that, okay, and of course before you use it, you have to just shake it. Alright, so let's try in toilet walls. I'm going to my toilet, and I will try to spray this into the wall, and I want to let you know guys how it smells like. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, so now here we are in my toilet, and here is the spray that I just made to clean the walls of the toilet. So what you're gonna do is just get a spray and spray to the walls of your toilet or bathroom, just like this. And then get a paper or paper towel or tissue, and then you just go ahead and clean it. Okay, wipe it just like this. There you go. See how shiny it is? It smells so good. Why don't you try it, guys? This is so easy to make. So spread all over your toilet, and then just wipe it with the tissue, just like that. Okay, then just like this. It's like you're cleaning your bathroom, your toilet. Like that smells so good. Okay, and if you want to use to your toilet seat, where is it in front of me? Well, that you can use it. Just spray it all over your toilet seat and just leave it like for 5 to 10 minutes until it gets dry, and then you wipe it later. Oh my God, your toilet is perfect. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching, and hope you like this tutorial. Why don't you try it? Let me know down in the comments if you try this spray bottle with this essential oil for your toilet, for your bathroom, for cleaning purposes. You can always use this. Alright, so if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching guys. Bye for now.
We rise like